Have you ever pondered what would occur if you plunged into a black hole? This question brings us face to face with one of the most mysterious phenomena in the universe: black holes. These celestial bodies, with their immense gravitational pull, are so powerful that not even light can escape their grasp. They exist in the far corners of our universe, shrouded in mystery and sparking endless curiosity among scientists and enthusiasts alike. The fascination we humans have with the unknown is unparalleled, and black holes are no exception. They seem to defy our understanding of reality, challenging the boundaries of what we know and what we can comprehend. They are the ultimate cosmic puzzle, a riddle that continues to confound even the sharpest minds in science. As we venture into the depths of this cosmic enigma, prepare to have your understanding of reality challenged. Before we dive into the hypothetical scenario of a human entering a black hole, we must first grasp the science behind these cosmic beasts. In the vast expanse of our universe, black holes are truly the darkest and most enigmatic of all. They are essentially regions of space-time exhibiting such strong gravitational effects that nothing, not even light, can escape from inside them. So, how do black holes form? Well, they are the remnants of massive stars that have collapsed under their own gravity. When a star has burned out its nuclear fuel, it explodes in a supernova and the remaining core collapses under its own gravity. If the core's mass is large enough, it will form a black hole. The point of no return around a black hole, where the gravitational pull becomes so strong that escape is impossible, is known as the event horizon. Cross this line and you're in the black hole's clutches for good. Now let's talk about gravity. Gravity is the force that pulls you towards the Earth when you jump. It's what keeps our feet firmly on the ground, but in a black hole, gravity is so strong that it warps and contorts space-time itself. This is where Einstein's theory of relativity comes into play. According to this theory, massive objects cause a distortion in space-time, which is felt as gravity. In the case of black holes, this distortion is so extreme that it forms a sort of well from which nothing can escape. However, the theory of relativity also predicts that time slows down near massive objects. This is known as time dilation. So if you were to watch someone fall into a black hole from a safe distance, you would see them slow down as they approach the event horizon, eventually appearing to freeze in place, while they would feel as though they were falling in normally. Now that we have a basic grasp of these mysterious entities, we can begin to explore what might happen if one were to enter one. Imagine, if you will, that you are on a spacecraft approaching a black hole. Now, as you draw closer, the gravitational pull becomes increasingly powerful. This is no ordinary force. It's so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape its clutches. You're now entering the black hole's event horizon, the point of no return. Here, the gravitational pull becomes so intense that it starts to distort time itself. This effect, known as time dilation, means that time would tick slower for you than for an observer far away from the black hole. To them, it would seem as though your spacecraft is moving in slow motion. As you continue your journey, the powerful gravity begins to exert different forces on different parts of your body. This is because the gravitational pull is stronger the closer you are to the center of the black hole. Your feet, being closer, would feel a stronger pull than your head. This causes a stretching effect, pulling you into a long, thin shape. Scientists have a name for this process, and it's as unsettling as the phenomenon itself. They call it spaghettification. The black hole's gravity continues to stretch you thinner and thinner, but it's not just your physical form that's being elongated. The spacecraft, along with everything else inside it, is undergoing the same fate. As you are drawn further in, the black hole's gravity becomes so extreme that it would eventually tear you apart, atom by atom, and engulf you entirely. This journey into a black hole is not for the faint-hearted. It's a trip through extreme gravitational forces, time warps, and ultimately a transformation into a long, thin strand of matter. But it's not a journey you can return from or even communicate about. Once inside a black hole, you are cut off from the rest of the universe. That's a one-way trip that you wouldn't be able to tell anyone about. While the journey into a black hole sounds terrifying, some theories suggest something even more bizarre might happen. Now let's dive into the realm of theories and speculations. Black holes, beyond being cosmic vacuums, have been the subject of numerous hypotheses, some bordering on the realms of science fiction. One such idea is that black holes could serve as gateways to other dimensions. This concept, while exciting, is rooted in the idea that our universe might be one among many, a part of a vast multiverse. Could falling into a black hole then be a one-way ticket to another universe? The notion of wormholes also finds its place in these speculations. Wormholes are theoretical passages through space-time predicted by Einstein's theory of general relativity that could create shortcuts for long-distance travel across the universe. Some scientists speculate that black holes could be connected by these wormholes, allowing for interstellar travel or even time travel. Then we have the concept of the singularity. At the heart of a black hole, according to general relativity, lies the singularity, a point where space-time curves infinitely, and the laws of physics as we know them cease to function. Some theories suggest that singularities could be portals to other universes, while others argue that they could lead to the creation of new universes. However, it's essential to remember that these are just theories. While they are rooted in mathematical models and scientific principles, they remain untested and unproven. It's also worth noting that the extreme conditions inside a black hole would likely make survival, let alone exploration, impossible for any human traveler. Black holes continue to be one of the most mysterious and fascinating objects in our universe. They challenge our understanding of the cosmos and force us to push the boundaries of our scientific knowledge. These theories, while intriguing, remain unproven, adding to the mystery and allure of black holes. As fascinating as these theories are, the reality of black holes is likely much less glamorous. Let's delve into the less star-studded, more perilous side of black holes. Black holes in their rawest form are regions of space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. They are cosmic prisons, if you will, from which there is no parole. Our understanding of physics, as robust as it might seem, crumbles when we venture inside a black hole. The laws that govern our universe, the principles we hold dear, cease to apply. This breakdown of physics makes it impossible to predict with absolute certainty what would happen within a black hole. It's like trying to predict the weather on a planet in a galaxy far, far away with no data, no patterns to follow. Inside a black hole, the concept of space and time as we know it warps and twists into something quite unimaginable. You'd be stretched into a long, thin strand, a process whimsically termed spaghettification. Not quite the journey one would hope for, is it? Let's not forget the intense gravitational pull, which would rip apart anything that comes too close. Even if you could survive the journey past the event horizon, the boundary beyond which escape is impossible, you'd be crushed to an infinitesimal point in the center, known as the singularity. The singularity is where densities become infinite, and our understanding of the universe simply breaks down. So while black holes might make for exciting science fiction, the reality is far more dangerous. They're not portals to other universes or time machines, but destructive, powerful forces of nature. They're the universe's way of reminding us that there are still things we don't understand, still mysteries to unravel. While black holes continue to fascinate us, they remain one of the universe's most dangerous and unexplored mysteries. So the question remains, what would happen if you fell into a black hole? Well, the enigma of black holes surely piques our curiosity. Their existence is a testament to the fascinating complexity of our universe. We've delved into the science behind black holes, exploring their formation and their peculiar properties. The journey into a black hole, as we've discussed, is a trip into the unknown, a voyage through space-time unlike any other. Theories and speculations abound, from the fantastical idea of alternate universes to the grim reality of spaghettification. Indeed, the reality of black holes is as mind-boggling as it is awe-inspiring. They're places where our understanding of the universe is challenged, where our perception of reality is stretched to its limits. They're cosmic beasts, lurking in the dark corners of the universe, waiting to be explored. Until we can explore these cosmic beasts up close, all we can do is speculate and marvel at the mysteries of the universe.